Hello and welcome back to the challenge. Today we're going to be practicing ocean breathing. So if you're ready to get started, then go ahead and find a comfortable seat or lie down and I'll meet you there. So ocean breath is fairly simple. All you need to do is restrict the muscles at the back of your throat to make a wave-like sound. To do this, imagine you're fogging up a piece of glass. You're going Those are the same muscles you'll use for ocean breathing. So when you do it correctly, it should sound like a... It might be hard to hear with the waves in the background, but it's a slight restriction so you can audibly hear your exhale. You can also do this on the inhale, but it is a little more difficult, so stick with the exhale if that feels good for you today. When you're ready, we're going to inhale for 5 and exhale for 5. And then we'll release the count so you can practice this on your own, but keep your breathing slow. So inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the exhale, restrict the throat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more, inhale. Exhale. Good, release the count. Now we're going to sit here and just try it out on your own. Try increasing the exhale with each breath. And maybe add in a little bit of that restriction to the inhale. When you're ready, close the eyes. We'll do this for about another minute or two. Inhale. Fill the upper body, the lungs completely, and extra long exhale. Try to make it almost double the inhale if you can. Few more breaths. one more breath. Good. Release the practice. Return to your natural breathing, a couple more deep inhales and exhales. Maybe begin to wiggle, open your eyes, and check in to see if you're feeling more relaxed. Ocean breathing is amazing because it gives us a bit of white noise. It helps to reconnect us with our breathing muscles, and it helps to slow the breathing down to bring you into a calmer state. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you for the next day of our challenge.